1,000 words ain't enough to define a body up, yeah. Got a look and she wants it back. She's firing up that body up, yeah, babe. You think that I want you, but nah, babe. You're one in a million, but it's not.
Hey guys, so this cute wig I got from Friday Night Hair came in this priority mail package, and the shipping took about 2 to 3 days. So inside of your package, you're going to get a plastic resealable bag and of course your wig. And this wig does come with tape. As you can see, it does come with a plastic inside of it just to hold the shape of the wig. And this is the wig before I did anything to it. And I must say that this wig had a really weird factory-like smell, but after I let it air dry for a few minutes, the smell did go away. So this is a synthetic lace front wig. It comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and it does have adjustable straps. So trying the wig on for the first time, yes ladies, it is big head friendly, and this is just one of those units you just want to throw on and go. You don't have to put any effort into it, and yes, you do have very limited parting space. I would say about 2 inches of parting space, but you can make that work with some powder foundation, as you guys are seeing me do. And yeah, you guys, if you're interested in this unit, don't forget to check down below in the description box. All of the information will be down below. And if you guys have any questions, just leave them down in the comment section and you know I'll get back to you. And yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to hit thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. And I will talk to you all later. Bye. Thanks for watching.
Sensation, taking selfies for attention. She get high on confirmation, keep